the asphalt. This will be completed Monday. Completely removed, stoned, and repaved. Okay, we'll show you the after video. Okay, here's the stone part. We have 2 feet down, roll. Ready for that? Show you the finished product. Okay, we're all finished with the paving. 303 Mountain Way, Morris Plains, New Jersey. Everything's nice and clean. It meets nice and neat by the sidewalk and by the garage. We got good water pitch, as you can see. That is that. We're done. 303 Mountain Way, Morris Plains, New Jersey.